Cooking Apa.
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Today Apa has a beautiful barramundi fish head here. I'm going to make it into a lime garlic steamed fish, alright? So after washing the fish, I'm going to send it to the steamer, but before sending it to the steamer, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of fine salt here, and of course few pieces of ginger on top. Then we can send this to the steamer while I can show you how we can make the garlic lime sauce very easily. These are the few main ingredients here. We will need some hot water, some fresh lime juice, freshly squeezed, and this is freshly chopped using raw garlic and a little bit of chili. Maybe I'm using about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic and 1 small piece of chili, and I chop it up. I add a little bit of water into the chopper and I mince it. And I have a few pieces of lime slices here for garnishing towards the end. Let's quickly make the sauce. Some hot water here, and we are going to put in the minced garlic, some salt, some good amount of sugar here. You do need, good amount of sugar. Lime juice. I will adjust the amount of sourness towards later. And some premium fish sauce. This is a premium fish sauce from Vietnam. You can get it from Viet restaurant, they are selling it. So just make sure everything you added inside here is nicely dissolved, especially the sugar and also the salt. Then a very yummy lime garlic sauce is ready. That's how simple it is. So I have preheated my steamer for at least 100 degrees Celsius and above, and we are going to steam the fish head for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. So this is after about 10 minutes, steaming under 100 degrees Celsius and above. Wow, the fish is so beautiful. So after the steam has released, we can now carefully take out the fish. Alright, so here's the fish after taken out from the steamer, and you can see there's a lot of fishy water here. So these are the source of fishiness. I'm going to pour away the fishy water. So the fishy water has been removed. So next thing, we're going to bungee the fish with the lime garlic sauce. And I have some few pieces of lime to garnish it. Alright. That's how simple to make a lime garlic fish at home. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button, follow up on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.